In this video, we will go over the floor plan for our two-story house where we have a two-car garage and a laundry area, full bathroom, good-sized kitchen, dining room, living room, and a lower bedroom with a nice-sized closet. Now, keep in mind, I do not have the heating and air conditioning in this building yet, and it might require some of the closet space upstairs or downstairs. So let's go ahead and start with the front door. We have a 3-foot door. The windows can be different sizes. Just keep in mind that you might need egress, like a bedroom, in case you need a fire escape. And this is not a large house, and I wanted to go ahead and design it that way. Even though we do have a large living room, we don't really have a large dining room. However, we do have a nice sized kitchen and a full bathroom and a nice sized washer and dryer area, a little entrance from the garage into the house. And of course, we have 2 doors going into the back. And you might not need this one. If you're happy with this one, you can always walk through here to the garage. I know some people like to have a door going out into the garden where they can go in and out here to track their mud and debris instead of into the house. And that should be another thing you should consider. And of course, the reason why I drew the door in there in the first place. And of course, we have a window in the garage. You might not want one. And the garage is a 20 by 20 foot garage. And I really like the design and the simplicity of this house. Next up, let's take a tour upstairs where we're going to go up the stairs where we have a small hallway and access to everything upstairs. We don't need a long hallway in this house. And we might have a linen cabinet here. However, we might need this to run our heating and air conditioning pipes through. And of course, we basically have 4 bedrooms. This one right here does not have a closet. And each one of the rooms is a pretty good size for such a small house. And I realize I don't have all of the measurements in here. However, I do have most of them, and hopefully you can see them from here. Let me just go ahead and zoom in and go around the perimeter here, just in case you can't see them. Stairwell, and we're going to have a window in our stairwell. And again, just kind of going around here to give you an idea of any measurements that you might need. Might not be able to see them. And if for whatever reason you can't see these measurements or need more details about this house, the layout and the floor plan, feel free to let me know. And we have a nice full bath here. And if there is enough interest, I will be redesigning this house with a master bedroom in it. And then the house will have an additional bathroom. Let's go ahead and take a tour of the outside. Garage door, bedroom window, front door, upper windows, corner windows in the living room, dining window, and then our bathroom window up here. We will need a ventilation fan for the lower bathroom and a smaller window for our kitchen. Our 2 back doors, one going into the house, one going into the garage, and then our laundry room window, garage window, bedroom window, and then our stairwell window here. Let's go ahead and zoom in on that. And you can see here where the windows can't be much larger in height, otherwise we would be hitting the roofing, suggesting that this window here on the inside is going to be difficult to clean. And for those of you wondering why I put this window over here instead of over here, was to allow for the teenagers to escape onto the roof and jump off in the middle of the night. Okay, that's not why I did it, but it is close. I went ahead and put it over here as a better exit for the fire escape in case there was a fire in the house. Now, I'm not suggesting you need to do this. And if your window will look better over here, then move it over there. And of course, we have a gable roof to keep everything simple. And don't forget, if you want to get a little more information about building this house, I will be creating a playlist, and we'll have a link to that playlist in the video description area.